If you have a problem, you're out on the water and you can't start your boat, there's 3 things you need to check. You gotta have your lanyard hooked up inside your boat. Okay, so I gotta hook up this lanyard. 2, you need to have the on-off switch on your boat, or the run switch. Flip the run switch. Number 3, you need to make sure you have your boat in neutral. That's my problem. Flip it to neutral. Okay, James, I should be good to go. So those 3 things, hope that helps. Follow James Dean for more helpful tips.